How to make no one can see your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your profile picture on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and click on your profile here, and then click here on your profile picture and click view profile picture. Now click these 3 points in the top corner and then click edit privacy. Now click see more and click only me. Now all you need to do is just click it's saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.